Hello children, I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Children, I am Avisha Juneja and today we are going to learn social studies. In that we are going to learn our chapter number 6, our dresses. Children, you all know that India is a very big and beautiful country. It is second most populated country in the world and seventh largest country in the world. Children, you all know that India is divided into 29 states and 7 union territories. As you all learned in your previous lesson, that is our food. People living in different states of India eating a different kind of food. Similarly, Indian people wear a wide variety of clothes. It is depend on the particular climate of particular state or season or atmosphere. People, different state of India have their own special way of dressing up. The clothes we wear depend on the climate and season. So, let's get started. Why do we need clothes? We need clothes to protect ourselves from heat and cold. I repeat, we need clothes to protect ourselves from heat and cold. People living in different parts of our country wear different clothes depending on the season. There is also wide variety of dresses worn by men. The most popular ones are dhoti kurta, kurta pajama, trousers and shirt, shirt and lungi. Men wear shirts and trousers in cities. In villages and towns, men prefer to wear dhoti and kurta or pajama. Men wear dhoti in South India. You can see the picture on this screen. Picture of dhoti kurta, kurta pajama, trousers and shirt, shirt and lungi. These all are the most popular dresses of men. Now moving ahead, in some states traditional dresses are still worn. For example, chudidar and jacket in Gujarat. You can see the first picture on the screen, that the man wearing a chudidar and jacket. This is the traditional dress of Gujarat which is worn by men. Achkan and Angrakha or Achkan or Angrakha with a colorful turban is a popular in Rajasthan. You can see the second picture of Achkan or Angrakha with a colorful turban worn by the men in Rajasthan. So these are the traditional dresses of Gujarat and Rajasthan of men. Moving ahead, lungi is a very popular dress in Tamil Nadu. You can see the style of wearing lungi in the first picture. This is very popular dress in Tamil Nadu. In West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh, dhoti kurta are common dress. You can see the second picture of man wearing a dhoti kurta. It is a style of dhoti kurta which is worn by the men of West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. Men in different states cover their heads in different ways. Caps and turbans are used for covering the heads. Gandhi cap is very popular in Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. The style of tying a turban different from place to place. Similarly, men in different places use different types of turban, caps and hats. You can see the picture of turbans on the screen. The different type of cap or turban which are worn by the men in the different state. Now, most Indian women wear saris. It is known as the national dress of Indian women. Sari is the most common dress of women. In India, it is a rectangular piece of cloth. It is about 5 to 6 meters. It is tied in different ways. You can see the different ways of saris which are tied by the women in India. The other popular dress of women are Ghagra with Kachli in Rajasthan. This is the traditional dress of women which are worn by the women of Rajasthan. You can see the picture of Ghagra with Kachli. The first picture on the screen. Now, Lehenga and Choli in Gujarat. You can see the second picture of Lehenga and Choli. This is the traditional dress of women in Gujarat. Salwar Kameez in Punjab. The third picture of Salwar and Kameez. On the screen you can see. This is a traditional dress worn by the women of Punjab. Or you can say this is the most common dress of Punjab worn by women. Now, Ghagra Kurta with Odhni in Haryana. You can see the third picture, Ghagra Kurta with Odhni. Sorry, you can see the first picture on this screen, Ghagra Kurta with Odhni. This is a traditional dress or common dress worn by the women of Haryana. The long skirt worn by women in Sikkim are called Baku. You can see the second picture on the screen. The long skirt. This is a traditional dress of women of Sikkim and it is called Baku. So I hope you all got an idea about this traditional dress of these states. Thank you.